Okay, this tutorial is on canvas and paper options for Corel Painter, the actual surface that you're going to be working on. To begin with, as far as the color of the surface that you're working on, you can do that in the very beginning by when you actually open up a new document. It gives you the option right here to pick the color of the paper that you want. Just go ahead and click on paper color, and then you have various options as far as picking your color. And I'm going to leave mine white for this demo here. Now, as far as picking the surface that you're going to work on, you just go ahead to the left here, your selector menu here, and on the top left-hand side, click on the papers, and then these are all the papers that you have to choose from. You have the basic paper, small dots, artist rough paper, sandy pastel paper, rough charcoal paper, retro fabric, hard laid paper, gessoed canvas, fine dots, new streaks, wood grain, charcoal paper, simulated wood grain, thick handmade paper, horse cotton canvas, fine hard grain, worn pavement, Italian watercolor paper, linen canvas, pebbleboard, hot press, and French watercolor paper. Now you can change the scale of the paper. In other words, you can increase the look of the texture. I'll just go ahead to small dots. You can see what I have right now, and then just go ahead and click open the paper menu and click on the little arrow on the corner there. It opens up another menu, and then it's launch palette. And then that'll give you some options in terms of the paper. So you could increase or decrease the size of the texture you're working with, anywhere from to the point where it's really hard to make out, or just like really exaggerated like this. Another thing that you can do is increase or decrease the value contrast. So just make it nice and soft and subtle, or with a maximum value contrast. And then you can do the same thing here with the brightness of it, the little sun symbol there, whether you want it to be very dark or very light. You can also reverse how the texture is applied. In other words, I can go ahead and increase the dots here so you can see what I mean. We have all these little little red dots going on, and then I can basically reverse it, and then I have the reverse image. Another option you have is making your own paper, which is a little bit limited. You can just go ahead and press this little arrow here on the little paper menu and press the make paper, and this basically allows you to change the spacing of it, and to also change the angle of it. That pretty much sums it up for the paper and canvas option.